Let me introduce you to my small corner of the world.
The carved heads at the entrance to the picturesque settlement of Waihi are guardians of the local community. The village is headquarters of Ngāti Tūwharetoa, sub-tribe of Ngāti Tūwharetoa, and it's been in its idyllic setting since the mid-1800s, when an avalanche wiped out the original site a short distance away. For the first-time visitor, it's an eerie welcome as hot thermal streams flow into the cold waters of Lake Taupo, throwing off thick clouds of steam. It's the lake itself which provides most people the best-known view of Waihi, sitting nestled in under the bush-clad hills. Standing dominant in the village centre is the 94-year-old Catholic church, conventional on the outside but with a unique interior. As in many other Maori buildings, the walls of the church are covered in traditional tukutuku weaving, each pattern telling a different story. But the unique features of the church are two stained glass windows. The first depicts a Maori Christ, the other the Virgin Mary and Child, once again portrayed as Maoris. There are only 10 families living at Waihi. During the day it can be like a ghost town, but the village has had its crowds. The lone figure walks on a road named to remember the visit of Prince Charles in 1981. That day, hundreds crowded the Tāpeka Meeting House grounds. Both the outside and the inside of the meeting house feature the work of East Coast master carver, the late John Taiapa. He and local craftsman Rangi Hetet carved the intricate detail on the meeting house panels. The views from Waihi are spectacular, but there's no chance to savour them. It's time to move on.
Thank you for coming to my small